Hi friends, it looks like we have to do this again to fix that error. So git clone, cd algo, get into the directory. Let's see what's there. There's requirements.txt and I'm going to edit it with nano requirements.txt and add this particular line here, jinja2 is equal to 2.8. That seems to fix the issue. So let's see if it fixed the issue on my side. Ctrl X, save. Okay, now let's continue with these commands. Sorry, wrong command. This was the command. Paste. Here are the rest of the dependencies. Okay, that's done. Now let's open config.cfg. Add the list of users. Melvin phone, Melvin laptop. Like I said before, each user and each device will need a separate user. Okay, now let's run the deployment. We need Google Compute Engine. I'm going to name the server as Algo SGP for the Singapore region. Do you want Mac or iOS clients? No. Do you want Mac or iOS clients? No. Do you want to retain the keys? And you need to give S here in order to add users in the future. I'm going with S. DNS ad blocking? No. SSH tunneling? No. Now it will ask for the credentials JSON file. That credentials JSON file is used to connect to the compute engine. It's a permissions file used to connect to compute engine. So I will open a new tab of the Cloud Shell and create the JSON file over here. Credentials.json, and the content of the file, I need to get it from APIs and services, credentials. Open a new tab with the middle click. Here we need to create credentials service account. Service account name, I'll give it as Algo VPN user. Description, Algo VPN itself. Create and grant this service account access to the project. Yeah, that's needed as editor. Continue. Grant users access to this service account. No, I don't need that. Done. Now it will create the credentials for me. I need to click on that. Click on keys. Add key. Create new key. JSON. Create. Now this is going to be saved to my computer. Close. Okay, so I just need to take the content from this and paste it into this here. So that I'm going to do. So you just open the credentials.json file in a notepad or notepad++ and paste the contents over here. Save, and you can specify the file over here. So it's asking the path, the local path to the credentials.json. So actually, if I just give the name, will it accept? Let's see. Seems to have worked. Okay, it's asking me for the number of the desired region. Asia Southeast 1 and 2 are Singapore, so I'm going to select Asia Southeast 1. That's number 7. Okay, this is going to take a while and I'm going to pause the video till it completes. Hi friends, now I can see that the deployment is over and this is what it says. So I'm going to copy this message and paste it in Notepad. Okay, so it says config files and certificates are in the .configs directory, so let's go there in a new tab. Now when you hit refresh over here, you can see the instance has been created, Algo SGP. This is the external IP, and here are the settings for the VPN client. So let's get into the folder named after the external IP. Get into the WireGuard folder. WireGuard is a client that we are going to use on Windows and even on Linux. It works on Linux too. So we have files over here, and these are the files that will enable us to configure the VPN client. So we need to download all of these. Let's find a way to download it from the Cloud Shell. pwd. So this is where we are. Copy the names of the files. How many files are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is for mobile, I guess. melvinphone.conf, melvinphone.png, melvinphone.conf, melvinphone.png. These PNG files actually contain a QR code that you can scan using your phone. This line is not required. To download this, you can go here, download file, and enter all these file paths one by one. I'm going to save it in downloads for now. Okay, I'm going to pause the video till we download all files. Now see, I have all the files downloaded here. Now I'm going to proceed to install WireGuard. wireguard.com/install. So I have a Windows 10 PC. There are installers for Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Android, iOS, Debian. So it's a multi-platform software. I download the Windows installer and run it. Okay, so here it has come up. I don't need the Cloud Shell anymore. I'm closing that. I'm closing the download bar. And let's open that conf file which we downloaded earlier. melvinlaptop.conf, open, and then click on activate. Now it's connected to the VPN server and the VPN tunnel has been activated. Now to verify this, I am going to check my IP, public IP, which will be the IP of the VPN server, 34.126.130.220. 34.126.130.220. So I'm successfully connected to a VPN. Now once I press deactivate, Algo VPN will get disconnected. My IP will change to the normal one, the one given by my ISP. Okay, that's all about Algo VPN. You can set this, you can try this in different regions, and always remember to select the right project name. Thank you friends, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.